Good afternoon, everyone. I am Loveline Ibermoy, Group 5 reporter, and our I will represent to you our topic. It's about communication for various purposes, public information campaign, and service announcement. So, public communication. Public communication is the process of exchanging information between organizations, governments, and the public, aimed at informing and engaging communities on issues that affect them. So, public communication, it is involved sharing information with general public or specific group through various channels including public speaking and mass media. So, example of public communication is the political campaign. It involves the candidates use speeches, debates to communicate their platforms and policy proposal to the voters. Yun. Introduction to communication for public purposes. It is plays a critical role in disseminating information and promoting services aimed at improving the public's well-being. Through clear and strategic communication, public organizations can inform communities, shape public behavior, and raise awareness on critical issues. So, the introduction to communication for public purposes, it is refers to the study of how individuals and organizations effectively communicate with the large audiences. So the for example again is the political campaign. So the candidates use they are used to deliver the clear message and use a piece of information that people or audiences could learn from it. Okay, so it is used to inform and persuade, build relationships, and form connections. Next, public information campaign. Public information campaign, it is the goal is to educate, influence, and raise awareness among the public on significant social issues. So, just like it is a strategic effort to share information with that specific issues. For example, health campaign. So you are provide information about about health. For example, is the disease prevention, vaccinations, or healthy living. So lastly is the service announcement, or another term is the public service announcements, PSA. So service announcement, it is aimed to inform and educate the public about a specific issues or encourage specific behaviors often related to social problems or public health. So, example of that is the traffic safety. So, the PSA or public service announcement is urging drivers to wear seat belts, avoid distracted driving, and obey the speed limits. So, yun lamang po.
Here are the 5 key elements involved in successful campaign. So, number 1, objective setting. A successful campaign starts with a clearly defined goals. This goal should be a SMART goal. S for specific, M stand for measurable, A achievable, R relevant, and T time-bound. So, example, instead of vague goal like reduce smoking, a SMART goal should use reduce smoking rates among young adults with the age of 18 to 25 years old in Davao City by 15% within the next 2 years. So, it has specific because the target group and desired outcome in reducing smoking. Measurable. It is tracking smoking rates within 15% as it given data. It is achievable because the goal is realistic given the educational resources and planned activities. And also, it has a time bound because it has a due that within 2 years. Number 2, target audience. A target audience. Understanding your audience is crucial. This involves research to identify their demographics, interests, beliefs, and behaviors to gain their attention. For example, a campaign to promote recycling in Davos City might target different audience separately. One audience could be students in schools. With the use of social media platform, posters, and school assemblies para dali lang nila makita ang mga details or mga campaign. So, while another audience could be a market vendor. So, we can use community meeting and flyers in local market because in the market, dira sila nagatrabaho. So, it depends and adjusts accordingly to what audience should you target. Number 3, message design. The message must be clear, compelling, and culturally relevant. So, it should be resonate with the target audience to be easy to understand and attract the attention of audience to motivate them to act or participate to your campaign. So, for example, a campaign promoting mental health awareness in the Philippines might use testimonials from people who have benefit from support services. Avoid confused messages and focus on positive message. Your visual and language should align with the cultural context, also to avoid disrespect to their culture because we have a different culture. So, number 4, channel of communication. Choosing right channel to reacting the target audience. This might involve a mix of traditional media like TV, radio, and newspapers. Because some adults can involve into the digital media that popular nowadays. Because, nowadays. The other one is the digital platform, like social media, websites, mobile apps, as well as community-based approach like meetings and events. We should use a social media because it is prone nowadays to all the young people. So, for example, a campaign to prevent dengue in Cotabato could use radio announcements, posters in public, educational materials, and in school, posting in social media to awareness of all people. Number 5, engagement strategies. It's the way to create connection with the audience and encourage participation like storytelling, emotional approach, and testimonials. For example, a campaign to promote road safely could feature real-life stories of accident victims or their families. To relate the other people or to remind them to be careful para maiwasan nila yung nangyari sa real life na narinig nila. And that's all.
Good morning, everyone. This is the continuation of our report. The topic of report is type of public information campaigns. Health campaigns is the goal of health campaigns is to inform people about different health issues to promote healthy lifestyle and encourage people to use health service. Number two, safety campaigns. These campaigns is about being awareness of those and don't in every disaster. It is about the safety practices on how to handle a situation. Example, earthquake. Also, these campaigns guide us how to prevent accident and or injuries. Number three is environmental campaigns. It regards in solving environmental issues, also how to conserve the natural resources and to sustain our human use. Number four is civic engagement campaigns. It encourages us to participate in different civic activities like voting and community service. Number five, social justice campaigns. Raising awareness about social issues such as the gender equality and it advocate change in values and are in right about the gender of a person and how we accept them in society.
So once again, good afternoon everyone. I'm Natasha Ching Katarong. This is the continuation of our report, Communication for Various Purposes, Public Information Campaign, and Service Announcement. So number 6, Crisis Communication Campaign. Provide timely and accurate information during emergencies or crises to ensure public safety and well-being. Example, disaster preparedness emergency alerts for natural disaster, public health emergencies. So, these are special campaigns created to give important and correct information quickly when this is an emergency or disaster. This goal is to keep people safe and help them know what to do. Example, a government sends out emergency alerts on your phone before a typhoon or earthquakes. Okay, number 7, education and awareness campaign. Focus on improving public understanding of various topics, including social issues, science or technology. Example, literacy programs, STEM education initiatives, financial literacy campaigns. So, education and awareness campaign. Well, these are campaigns are about teaching people and helping them understand important topics that affect society. The goal is to increase public knowledge and encourage better decision. Example, a campaign to teach students about climate change and how to protect the environment. So next, function of public information. Number 1, for informing the public, provides individual and communities with accurate and timely information about issues that affect their lives, helping them make informed decisions. So, this means giving people the right and up-to-date information about important issues that affect their lives. The purpose is to help them make a smart decision. Example, the weather department announced a typhoon warning so families can prepare or evacuate. Number 2, raising awareness. Increase public awareness of critical social, health, and environmental issues which can lead to behavior change and community action. So, this focuses on helping people understand serious issues in society, health, or the environment. When people are aware
they may change their behavior or even take action. So, example, a campaign explaining the effects of plastic pollution encourage people to use ecobags. So, number three, promoting safety. This disseminates information about safety practices, emergency procedures, and resources available to protect individuals and communities. So, this means sharing information to protect people from harm. It includes tips on what to do during emergencies and where to find help or resources. Example, for posters showing how to CPR in case someone collapses. Another example, public reminders about fire safety like not overloading electrical outlines. So it's teaching people how to stay safe and prepared. Thank you.
So once again, good afternoon everyone. I'm Kiana A. Portillo. This is a continuation of our topic, encouraging participation. Motivates individual to engage in civic activities such as voting or community service, fostering a sense of belonging and responsibility. This campaign motivates individuals to get involved in civic duties and community service, fostering a sense of responsibility. For example, a public information campaign urging citizens to vote in local election or volunteer in neighborhood cleanup program. Next, advocating for change. Service as a platform for advocating for policy change and social reforms, amplifying the voice for marginalized groups and pressing for action on important issues. This campaign provides a platform for advocating for social change or reforms, especially by amplifying the voice of marginalized groups. For example, a campaign advocating for policies to support the rights of the LGBTQ community. Next, building trust. Established between organization, government, and a public by ensuring transparency and accountability in community. Establish trust between the public organization and government through transparent communication. For example, a government campaign explaining how funds for public health are being used, showing the process, and accountably measure the place in place. Next, facilitating dialogue. Encourage open communication and dialogue among various stakeholders, including government agencies, NGOs, and community members, promoting collaboration and understanding. This campaign promotes open communication among various stakeholders like government bodies, NGOs, and community members. For example, a campaign encouraging town hall meeting where citizens can openly discuss local government issues with officials.